Hi everyone, so now I will show you how you can set up your Ecwid store using the theme and layout supplied by Ecwid. So on this page, on the left side there's a design, so press on it, and in design you can change the look of your store. There are many parts, so I will run you through all the parts. So first we have image size. So image size is the product size that you will get to view. So if you press large, you get large view here, and then you have medium, which is like this, and then this is small. So small is like smaller and fits more items in a page. Okay, so next we have image aspect ratio. Image aspect ratio is the landscape orientation for your product. So if you have a horizontal image, it's better to use landscape. There is 4:3 and 3:2 option. And if you have a vertical image, it's a 3:4 and 2:3 option. So if you have a well-balanced image, it's a square 1:1. And next, if we have darkened image background. Darkened image background, it means that your product, you can enable it. It will look dark behind, and your product will look more outstanding. It's okay to have it or not. Okay, so next we have product card details and layout. And then this is the name of your product on the front page. So you want your name to be center, you can have it in center. You want it on the left, you press left. Or you want right, or you want justify. Okay, so next one we have product card frame. Product card frame is the border for each product on your page. So if you enable it, it looks more structured. So if you disable it, it looks like your product is floating. So if you enable it, it looks more structured. Okay, so product name. So you can have the option to choose or not show, or you have it on mouse hover. So if you have it on mouse hover, it looks like this. It's not showing, but once you press on it, the name will come out. So better have it shown. Okay, you have the option. And product price, same. There's 3 options: show, do not show, and show on mouse hover. Okay, so product SKU. Product SKU is the product code. If you want it to be shown, you can, but you also have the option not to show or on mouse hover. So it's all on your liking. And you have buy now button. If you want it here, you can, or you want it on not show, or when your customer press on the product that they wanted, then they read all the description all in, then they only choose to buy, it's okay. But you can have them outside of your product, whereas in the main page when they visit the page. So next we have main product image. So this is the main product image. If you have it not show, your customer will not get to see what you're selling, only the name or the price and buy now button. So if it's best if you show them, so they will know what they are searching for and is it the one they are searching for. So next we have category name position. So this is important because your customer will get to see what they are searching for. So category name, we can have it on the image, or you want it below the image. Okay, below the image, or you want it on mouse hover, means when you press it, it will show like this. So on height, so the customer will just press, basically follow what they want, the category, or just hide. They choose not to show, so they just follow the image of the product, the category. So you choose this one. Okay, and next we have product page layout. So this is the first impression that your customer gets once they press into your product. So if you want that in 2 columns and product description on the right, you can have it in first choice. Or you want second, 2 columns, product description is below the image. So basically it looks like this if you press on it. Okay, and next we have 2 columns, product description is on the left. It looks like this one, and 3 columns. So it's all like follow your product that you're selling. If you want it this layout, it's okay. Okay, so next one we have image gallery thumbnail. So if you want your gallery thumbnail to be horizontal, it looks like this. If you want it in vertical, it looks like this. And in full size image. So in full size image, your customer will get to view every picture without bother to press one by one, and then can see much bigger and a better view of your product. So if you have it in horizontal, then you'll need to press each of the image next, or press on the particular image that you want to view. So next one, we have sidebar. Sidebar is very important because sidebar is literally all the thing that you want to show customer, like product name, breadcrumbs. So breadcrumbs is once your customer press into the particular item, and once they finish viewing the item, breadcrumbs will have the function to bring them back to the previous page they left. So product SKU is the product code. If you want to show them, it's okay. Not to show is okay too. So just basically just press on the tick. Okay, and then next is the price. Is important to let them know what's the price. And the product option, this is variation. It's okay if your product is only one option. Product option can be like colors or sizes. Okay, so next we have add to bag button. So your customer can actually add to bag first before they check out, so they can view more items. And next one, we have stock availability labels, which is very important too, because if you have it shown in the product page, your customer will make a decision faster if the stock is getting is decreasing. So if you're not sure, if it's not shown, your customer may not know that the item is available or not available. So next one, we have wholesale prices. You can also put it in to let your customer know. And next we have product description. So product description is basically the product. Will know what your customer will get to know what is the product. So is it suitable for them or not? Okay, so next we have storefront navigation and color. So if you want to have collapse category, you can have collapse category, which is each product will have in different pages. Okay, so next we have expand categories. So expand categories is all the categories, all the pictures, all the products will be in one page without filtering. So next we have color adaptation, food menu, footer menu, sign in link, breadcrumbs, and sort by options. So there will be two options for color adaptation, enable or disable. So next one, we have a footer menu. We have three options, which is show and do not show. So all of this you can set. Okay, next we have this thing, which is theme. Okay, it's not necessary to use what is supplied by Ecwid website. So you can actually have your own CSS theme, whereas you get from the Google engine, or you can actually get from your app market, which is from the application that is supplied by your App Store or your Play Store for Android. So it's not necessary to use what is inside here. Okay, and next one, we will go to our pre-made page where you get to see it here. So you just press on it. Okay, so once you get to this page, you just press on the top, there's edit site, press on it. Okay, so this one, every inch of your page you can edit. So this is the impression that you give your customer once they visit your store page in Ecwid. So in themes, okay, so on your left you get to see themes. Press on themes. There'll be many themes that you can choose from. So the themes in Ecwid, they already separated into many categories. So it's based on what are you selling and it suits the best for you. But same goes to if you're having a theme that you wanted but it's not in Ecwid store. So you can always get from Google engine or you can get from the apps market. So at here they offered like apparel, shoes, accessories category, health, beauty, services, electronics and computers, food and beverage, jewelry, books, music and video, gifts, flower and collectibles, sports, fitness and outdoors, art and photography, toys, craft, hobbies, and home and furniture. It's okay if you're doing, let's say you're doing health and beauty, but you are down to give flowers and collectibles theme. It's okay because you can always change and you can customize your own theme. Okay, and so you just press one of it and you can start your own store page and just start the editing. Okay, so next we have site section. Whereas at here you can choose many things, which is headline and cover image. So headline is this thing. Basically you just change if you want. You always change like this. Okay, so this is the headline, which is like your store name. Okay, and next is the description. Description is like your what your company is focusing on. So our company is focusing on best cosmetics. So for all skin types. So you can say all this to your customer. So let them know. So not only this, there will be cover layout. So if you want your cover layout to be full screen, it looks like this. So there will be different styles for each cover layout. Okay, so you can always play on it, press and try all of them and see which one suits you the best. So next one we have background. So this is the background image. You can always change. You can upload your own image photo that you want. So not only image, there will be color, gradient, video. You can always put different type of media inside. And next we have cover overlay. Cover overlay is basically the filter for your picture. So you can try on each of them. Okay, so you can always tune it. You want it brighter or you want it like darker. Okay, so next we have this. Okay, so it's okay if you don't want to use the cover overlay. You can have it non-filter, so you can just press the last button, which is X. So all of this you can customize, and remember to save. There's a save button. Once you leave this page or this part without saving, everything gone. So please remember to save. So back button. Okay, so we'll go for typography. Okay, there is one call to action button. So call to action button is literally like one button at here. So once you press on it, they will bring you straight to the product page, which is product list. So here is typography. Typography is literally the font that they offer, the font color, the font family. You can always change the font sizes. Okay, everything here you can just play around. Okay, so next we have store logo. So if you have a store logo, you can upload your store logo. It's okay to not have store logo, and you can have your store logo position. Okay, you can have it on the cover, above the store, show in both places, or not to show your store logo. It's okay. So if you want your logo to be cropped in a circle shape, you can always have it cropped. So you just enable the round logo, so they will automatically just crop for you. So next we have scroll arrow. So scroll arrow, which is this thing. So if you want it to be scroll arrow, you can just enable it. So you just bring it here, just press on it. Okay, so next we have top menu. Top menu, which is the phone. If you want to have buttons on your top of the page, you can always add in. So for here, I have choose not to put the phone and the social media link on the top, but I have it shopping cart icon on over here. So there's a button, so the customer can actually press straight to the product. So and next, this is also the shopping cart, whereas what they can actually view back what they add to cart and what is in the shopping bag, shopping cart. So this is to ease their service and give them a service. Okay, so back. Okay, next we have store. So store is about the product, how you want your customer to view your product. You want them to view a product in very small, or you want it in medium, or in large. So this is all based on how you want to set your product shape or sizes. Next we have thumbnail aspect ratio. So thumbnail aspect ratio is this thing, your product size. So as what I said just now, if your product is more on horizontal shape, you can have it in landscape. If your product is more on vertical shape, you can have it in portrait. But if your product is just a normal square size, you can have it 1:1. So it's well balanced. And next we have text alignment. So if you want your product name to be in the middle, you can have it in center. Or you want it on left side, you can, or right, or justify. So there will be 4 options for you. And next we have product card border. Same, I have told you just now that if you want it enabled, so it looks more structured and clear. If you off it, it looks more like your product is floating around on a page. So it's okay to have it on or not. So next one, we have one page product catalog. So this one is like, if you wish to put all your product in one single page, you can have it all on a single page. But if you want to have like category, like for mine, we have makeup, so we can put like lipstick is on a page, and then like for eye category, we have another page for eye category. So we can have separated category in different pages. So next, we have product list and category. So if you want your product name to be shown on the page, you can have it shown. There will be like 5 cards. So if you want to have it shown, you can. And next one, we have this thing, additional product image. So if you want your product to show all the additional pages in the box, it will look more messy. So it's better to just put one single clear picture, so your customer will know that the product is talking about this. You don't have to put a lot, so it looks very messy, okay, confusing. And next, we have category. So category name position. So same, there's 5 options you can choose. And next, we have breadcrumbs and sort by option. So if you want your customer to have the option to press on the breadcrumbs and sort by, there is. So next one, we have image setting background. So once you press it, it looks like your product is more outstanding. So if your product is white on the background, so if you have it darkened, it looks more outstanding. If you have it off, so it just looks as what you put in is white. Okay, and then back, we have product page. So product page is your product page. So this is your product page. Okay, so this is your product page that your customer will get to view once they press into your product. So this is the layout. If you have it this way, it looks like this, or like this and this. So if they open on different gadgets, it will look totally different layout. So if you want to play safe, it's better to have like this. But Ecwid, there is a special function which is it's okay to have in this layout, because in phone they will automatically change the layout. So next, image gallery layout. So image gallery layout is like this. So you can have it horizontal, this is vertical, and this is full image size. So if you have it in full image size, your customer won't have to need to press into each and every one of the picture or to view every product. So they can just scroll through and look at it. If you have it in vertical, they will need to press into like the side of the image, press into it, or in horizontal is the same. So next one, we have sidebar. So if you want the item to be shown on the side, it's better to have shown. Okay, and then next we have miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is the footer menu, sign in link, and breadcrumbs. So it's over here, down part. Okay, so next we have company mission. Wait, company mission. So company mission is like you are telling your customer. So if they are the first time user on your page, so they don't even like really know about your product. They want to know why they want to choose you. So this is the words of convincing. So they will know that, okay, so your makeup product, it's good, it's affordable. So where is manufacturing, why they have to choose you instead of choosing other shops. So this is convincing them to buy your product. Okay, and next we have customer testimonials. So basically this is the customer review. Once they get their item, they will know that, oh, okay, so they're very happy with your shipping or your product, that it suits them very good. So this is from one of the customer that have bought our item before. Her name is Mary Smith, and she's a local celebrity. So you can pin up all your customers review if you think you want to put on the page. So once your new first time buyer, first time customer, they will get to read up and they will know what about other people thinking. of our product. So next we have about. About is the customer will get to read up your more about your company, so how it was product and where it was born, and then where it's manufactured, and what is really about your company mission. So for ours is like in New York City, so our cosmetics is all cruelty free, so no test on animals, and it's very affordable. So makeup enthusiasts, they can actually try on our makeup and it fits all skin. So we don't really follow trends, so we create them, and then every person is unique, so they can control their own beauty. And so the customer can read up all your about us, about your company thing, so you can put them in your Ecwid store page. Okay, so next we have your photo. So you can always upload a photo at the side of your about us, so to let your customers see about your product once they finish reading. So here we have location. You can always put your location if you want to put your location, but for us we didn't put our location. So same, you just put in your address. So if you have a pop-up store or you have your own branch, so they can actually visit your store. But for us, we are online based, so we don't really have a pop-up store. And next we have a contact information. So you can always put your contact information like your phone number, so your customer, if any inquiry, they can always call up, or they can also mail to you, email. And then okay, next one, there's email address. Yes, okay, one more is to connect with us. So if you have not only Ecwid store page, but you have a Facebook page, so you can always link it into your Ecwid store. Not only Facebook, but you can have your Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, any other social media platform that is possible to promote your page. And you can always tell them that not only when once you press into the Facebook page, they will also automatically bring them to your Ecwid store page. So if they saw you in Facebook, they can bring there'll be a link to bring you to your Ecwid store page, or from Ecwid store page you can bring it to a Facebook page. So you could always update new things, so your customer will get to know the latest product or any promotions or events coming out next. So you can always pin them here. Okay, so next we have this thing, whereas I want to show you the page that we have made. So once our customer come to our page, this is the page that they will see. So this is the front page. Okay, so we have this welcome to Beauty Maker Co, and we always offer you the best quality products. Hope you enjoy shopping with us. So our customer will get to see gift cards, all about the makeup products and what we have in our store. So there will be a one search button. So search button is very important because your customer might have only want to see one or two categories. So if they want to see, let's say we have a lipstick. Okay, so lipstick. So once they search lipstick, okay, so it automatically just filter out all the makeup products and they will just come up with lipstick category. Okay, so here they will show only lipstick product. So if you don't want it, you want to go like every page or every category, you can. So they will go through one by one of the product that is available in your store page. So this is more saving time. Okay, and also there's a sort by. So sort by, some customer they would like from the lowest price item to the highest price item, or from the most latest item to the oldest item. So this will help them and don't waste their time. So next thing is here they can get to read your why choose us thing. So they will read up, and then next is the customer testimonials. So if you want to pin like 2-3, it's okay. And any like even if you want to put like more than 2-3 is okay. It's up to you. And next we have about us. So if you want your about us to come first, you can. So you just switch the arrangement. Okay, and contact us is below. Okay, so this is our page. Okay, so I hope you get to learn the tutorial that I've prepared for you, and from this tutorial get to know the idea of how to use the theme and layout that is supplied by Ecwid. So thank you for watching.